As Unifive upholds the business philosophy of protecting the Earth, all our AC-DC power converters meet international environmental product standards in order to provide customers with safe and high-quality power products. We have sales locations all over the world, and our factory in China has helped us lower our production costs. Product line includes semi-switching AC-DC adapters, I.T.A.V and A.V AC-DC adapters, open frame switching power supply, medical use AC-DC adapters, Dect telephone and VOIP AC-DC adapters, DC-DC adapters and car adapters. We shall continue to engage in R&D and keep up with the current standards to provide high quality and cost-effective power plants and satisfy customers' needs. Unifive technology shall implement the founder's business philosophy and promote the environmental greening. Unifive technology shall implement the founder's business philosophy and promote the environmental greening, Protect Planet Earth action plan. We will maintain product quality stability to boost customers' confidence in our products and protect their rights. We also intend to increase company exposure through international exhibitions so that we can offer faster and more convenient services to our customers. We also